Just switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat in the food chain.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll never miss a single video. This wig is 20 inches Brazilian straight. If the density on this wig is 130%, you'll be paying $67.74. If the density on this wig is 180, you'll be paying $86.24. Shipping was 5 days. Here's what the packaging looks like. You get a headband. You do pick which headband you want. Contact information. Hair jewelry. Here's what the wig looks like. You get 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It's really soft. Minimum shedding. No smell.